Okay. Rehan, welcome to your mock PI. So we have Purva ma'am. She is into this industry from last 8 years and currently part of Pearl Design as the academic head. She will be one of your panelists for today. She is also a design mentor. The second panelist is Vishal sir. He's into this industry from last 12 years. He's a management expert and he's the director of our organization. So I would request Vishal sir to please start.
Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, Rehan. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, feeling nervous or everything fine?
I'm little feeling nervous. Little nervous.
Okay, that is a sign of performance. So that's really good. So you opted for NIFT MFM program.
Yes, sir.
So just a small idea about what this MFM is all about and what do you know about NIFT? So that I need to understand.
Sir, actually, I have understanding of the geopolitical situation of the world and the government initiatives like production linked incentive scheme and the technical textile scheme, which the government of India has launched exclusively to boost the textile industry in India, and through which I can forecast the desires in the textile industry, and this encouraged me to pursue a career in this sector. MFM curriculum has a unique blend of all the marketing aspects like export merchandising, fashion merchandising, visual merchandising, exclusively to cater the demands of the textile industry, through which I would like to start entrepreneurship and wants to diffuse the culture of Rajasthan to different parts of the world.
Hmm. Okay, great. So you are basically from Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of textile and the fabric of Rajasthan? Like, do you have any idea about that?
Yes, sir, I do have idea. There are Rajasthan has a rich and very diversified cultural history in paintings and printings, and it is also famous for precious stones. If you talk about
Hmm.
printing style, we have
Hmm.
a very famous Bagru block painting, Kota Doria, which is
Hmm.
a GI tag, and Lehriya design print.
Hmm.
And there are
Hmm.
other styles of print. Uh, there
Hmm.
are traditional attires like Angarkha,
Hmm. Hmm.
Komcha. Komcha is a traditional outfit whereby most popular in Rajputana wives, which is yellow in color.
Hmm.
It's like Odni, a waistband that is called
Hmm.
Kamarband, and
Hmm.
different handicrafts like Ustkala. It is
Hmm.
a traditional camel leather which is embroidered with precious gold and silver windings with inserted with precious stones. It is very famous and popular in Middle Eastern countries like Iran, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, and UAE, because we
Okay,
have
great.
geographical similarity with them. We Rajasthan and Saudi Arabia and these are Middle Eastern countries have geographical similarity because both are desert countries.
Okay, great, Nihan. Purva ma'am, now you can continue. Purva ma'am.
Hi, Rehan.
Hello, ma'am.
You're going for MFM?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how are you going to relate your graduation subjects to your master's?
I'm a graduate in electrical engineering, but we have, and I have got my industrial training from Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, where I was in traction sales division. So I have utilized all my skills, and I have decided to how to optimally I can utilize the resources. I have also worked in a marketing executive in Cognition Limited. So I have used these things, and I use them to optimally utilize my resources. And in NIFT, it's all about marketing, and I have some experience of marketing before.
Hmm. Okay. So, what are the specialization MFM provides?
So MFM, so
Hmm.
it's basically about brand merchandising, visual merchandising, and export merchandising.
No, I'm asking Rehan, what are the specialization, deepening specialization is provided in MFM? Can you name them?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know what initiative NIFT have started to support craft industry?
So, ma'am, they are in partnership with the government of in Ministry of Textile through Samarthya scheme, which is made for capacity building and to empower the youth for skill development and to cater the demands of textile industry.
No, I'm asking in the terms of handloom, oh, sorry, craft. Do you know the specifically what initiative is taken by NIFT?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's it from my side. Over to you, sir, for the feedback.
Yeah, hi Rehan. Yeah, it was great interacting with you. Yes, I something good thing about you that you have a good knowledge about like initially the way you start up. You have a good subject knowledge. At least you have learned about the industry, how it's working, and how it's like what is this industry is all about. So that shows that you are how you are more interested for this. First thing, these are good sign of if someone is coming for interview. Now, some very like feedback apart from this, that is, yes, knowledge sometimes you have to express in that way, which will come to the interview panel very easily. Fine. When I ask about the like, what do you know about NIFT and MFM? The way you started, it was very confusing for me because the political and all you had like given the idea, so that was not even required. You can start with to make it more organized, just come with some relevant points, like to make it more organized, like government textile industry, they have Ministry of Textile has taken initiative to set up our NIFT, and now they have 16 campuses across India. Come with which are relevant to the answer. See, if I have a very good knowledge about textile industry, then I'll not start talking about what is the GDP, what is the contribution of textile industry in GDP of India. I will talk about the query, the questions which was like asked from the panel. Fine. Then you can also talk about NIFT. NIFT is a very like it is one of the best institute in India. Then you can talk about the course curriculum that you are coming for MFM. Then what are the course features? What you will be learning in that? How that is coming to how that will give you a boost to your career, and how that will be. You'll have to understand you are coming from graduation. When I ask about NIFT also, that NIFT has several linkage with like overseas colleges. Like there are many FITs, there are many, and now they have association with many of the colleges like this, where you can get into the exchange program, and faculty also recommend your name if you are very good with your academic, and you had a very good performance. So talk about those things which are relevant, because I found you you are just diverting from sometimes of the some questions. Come to the answer, and do not be so fast where I cannot understand your ideas. We are here to express, we are here to interact with each other. We are not here to question and answer session that that I'm asking. Fine. So here you need to understand, and the you had a very good formal dress up that you have. So but keep the camera angle in the right way, because at least that should be come here to your chest, because the camera, yes, yes, because it is not coming to that level, because your even hair was not visible. So I think these things first you see in camera your posture, then you just add on zoom and all. Yes, and also work on your pitch modulation. Fine. See, I am also expressing, I am also interacting with yours, like, but you are able to understand what I'm trying to say. You have a good knowledge, you have a good experience, but how those experience can be at the right time, not every time.
Yes,
The
sir.
right time. See, being a marketing, because I know the market, because you see, you have a good knowledge, but you need to understand the answer, the way you are expressing yourself for a particular. See, I say with every candidate, we are not here to for question and answers. It is the way that you responding to any question. It is not that every time you make it correct, and the way you respond to any particular situation. Here the question is your situation and problems, and how you are reacting to problems, which will define you are a good manager. So try to understand, and you can also talk about this, sir. I have worked with this as a marketing role. I have worked. So now this fashion industry was always I was inclined towards. So that was the reason. Just try to come with some relevant points. Do not say which will not give you any edge for your questions, any edge for their query and the interaction. So that is required. Otherwise, I found you good, and you have a potential. You can really perform well. Just work on the small things. I'm not saying that these are very big things which will which you cannot do. And just pace, you have to work with pace. That is very fast. I think you need to slow down somewhere. You need to make your voice low and high. It depends on the importance of your matter that you are discussing about. So that's all. Otherwise, I found you good. Purva ma'am, you can continue.
So, Rehan, I think we are meeting for the third time this night. So, I have already given you some of the feedback which sir is already covered right now. So two things. First, where it's good that you have a good general knowledge, you have a good awareness of the world and the India, but you should also have a good knowledge about the place where you are going, right? So what you're going to study in MFM, what is the specialization they provide? So go through the brochure. So there will be DS1, DS2, DS3. There are 3 specialization which is actually clearly written in the brochure. So you have to go through it. Number 1. Number 2, when I have asked about the craftsmanship after the craft, how NIFT is taking initiative, please go through the website. There is already mentioned, or you read, I'm giving you the hint, craft cluster initiative taken by the NIFT. Okay, you'll get your answer there. All the best, Rehan.
One thing I want to ask, this time I have worked on my smile. So is it up to the mark or not?
Yeah, it is to the mark, but this time you were too fast. You need to somewhere, pitch modulation need to be there. Sir has already told you. Yeah. Okay, Rehan. Okay. Bye-bye.
All right, Rehan. All the best for your tomorrow's final round. I hope you work on the feedbacks. All the best. You can leave the meeting.
Yeah, Rehan, one point
Yes.
that I missed out, that see that you have a smile on your face. That is a good sign that I really admire. I really appreciate. But yes, one thing that every time do not make it. Just try to be a normal because it is good. It is a good, but just see where you are comfortable and where you have such kind of conversation. It happens. So keep that smile on your face. Do not be serious. Sometimes if you're not smiling also, then that is coming that you are confident. It comes automatically. Fine. Otherwise, I think you have potential, Rehan, and just give your 100% and work on small things and look into mirror and see that your body gesture and just work on this part. Still, you are not this passport size of photograph should come when you are sitting. Otherwise, your background is good. You are yes, you are visible. And do not try to be like this, like that Sahansa type. So don't do like. Be a normal, be a confident guy. Like sit properly and do not stress out any body parts. Fine. So that is all about. Otherwise, chalo, all the best and do your best and wishing you all the luck for tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Take care.